What is distraction? It is not just a word we made up, but one of our greatest enemies. In Eden, Adam and Eve could not be distracted because everywhere they looked was divine beauty. Today, everything is distraction. Corporations profit from our heedlessness, from Amazon Prime to Netflix to TikTok, suffocating the natural function of the mind with someone else's dream. Distraction is the seed of sin, reducing our presence, dulling our joy, and damaging both mental health and spiritual well-being. Children are especially vulnerable. What should be a simple world of parents, ducks, and parks is now layered with screens, overstimulating young minds and reshaping their brains to crave novelty. As generations pass, our capacity for distraction grows, unless we resist. Traditional societies without screens raised people of remarkable focus. Scholars in Mauritania could hear a lesson once and never forget it. Medieval thinkers produced hundreds of books with clarity and stamina modern professors cannot match. The difference? Their minds were undistracted. Religion offers counter-technology. Prayer begins with Allahu Akbar, pushing aside the world and centering us in presence. Fasting sharpens focus, proving that the human body functions best in cycles of hunger and satiety, not constant snacking. Athletes like Hashim Amla have shown extraordinary concentration while fasting. Even science confirms intermittent fasting enhances cognitive performance. Charity, too, clears distraction. Giving breaks attachment to wealth, purifies intention, and restores awareness of others. Ramadan is the concentrated form of all three disciplines: prayer, fasting, charity. It is not a month to sleep away, but a training ground to ascend step by step, not yo-yo back into heedlessness. Attention is not limited to mountains at dawn. It must be trained in offices, on gray days, in ordinary settings. The Quran calls us to wonder at every moment, not only the beautiful. Babies show us how, staring at their feet in total awe, fully present. This is the art of living, being Ibn al-Waqt, children of the moment. Capitalism cannot profit from prayer, fasting, or silence, so it floods us with novelty and noise. But remembrance cuts through. Islam is not monasticism. It does not demand abstinence from the world. Moderate, engage wisely, but never surrender to addiction. Distraction is the sickness of our age. Attention, remembrance, and presence are the cure.